HealthWarehouse Online Pharmacy Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of HealthWarehouse, your trusted online pharmacy. Links to products are conveniently added in the description below, so you can check them out anytime. HealthWarehouse is designed for individuals seeking a reliable, cost-effective, and FDA-approved solution for ordering medications online. It stands out as one of the few verified internet pharmacy practice sites, VIPPS, which means it adheres to the highest industry standards for safety and quality. One of its key features is its extensive catalog of prescription medications, over-the-counter drugs, and medical supplies. The user-friendly interface ensures a seamless browsing experience, making it easy to search, compare, and order your medications. For those without insurance or looking for affordable options, HealthWarehouse offers competitive pricing, often significantly lower than traditional brick-and-mortar pharmacies. Free shipping is available on orders over a certain amount, adding to the overall value. The platform is particularly beneficial for individuals managing chronic conditions, as it offers automatic prescription refills, reminders, and transparent pricing. It also caters to those seeking privacy when ordering sensitive medications. Registration is straightforward, and the website provides clear instructions for uploading prescriptions or transferring them from other pharmacies. In my experience, customer service is excellent. The support team is available via phone or email to help with prescription verification, billing inquiries, or any other concerns. My orders were processed quickly, and I appreciated the detailed tracking updates. For safety, every medication is sourced from licensed U.S. suppliers and undergoes strict quality checks before being dispatched. Overall, HealthWarehouse is an excellent choice for anyone looking for affordability, convenience, and peace of mind when purchasing medications online. It's perfect for families, seniors, or anyone who values easy access to high-quality pharmaceuticals without leaving home. Check out the links in the description to explore it yourself, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.